Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Alexis Natalie. Usually when you're watching my videos, we are talking some TV with Lex, but due to being in quarantine, due to just really not having much to do, I decided to do a different type of video for you. When I started my YouTube channel, a lot of my friends asked me, why are you going to make hair tutorials? I've gotten a lot of compliments on how I usually style my hair, so I decided I'm going to do that. But this is going to be a part of a challenge that I'm doing for myself during this time in our corona craziness. I want to try to go the entire time that I'm here, which would be super easy since I'm not going anywhere, but to try to really use this time to focus on learning how to do hairstyles that don't require any heat. I put a lot of heat, not a lot of heat on my hair, but I have started back putting heat on my hair, and I've seen my curls really get affected by it, and I didn't think I would care, but now as I see my hair changing, I want to go back to doing less heat on my hair. So while I'm on this quarantine, I'm going to take all this time to learn how to do different hairstyles that don't require any type of heat. And today I decided to use perm rods. This is my first time doing perm rods. I usually use flexi rods, but I saw a lot of videos saying you should try to do perm rods, so I ended up buying something right before all of the craziness happened. I went to Sally's and bought some. I used these were the biggest size that they had there, the blue. I got these size because I have pretty long hair and I didn't know if the smaller sizes would work for me. So I bought 3 packs of these. I ended up using all 3 packs except for one that I lost on the way. One of them broke, but I was able to do my entire head with 3 packs of it, which I think ended up being like 23 curlers. So as you can see, it's all done. I really love the results. So if you're interested in seeing what I did to get my hair like this, then please continue to watch. Starting off with freshly washed hair, I washed my hair like 2 days ago and I've just been letting it air dry. I didn't put any product on my hair except for some leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections, and this is where I'm going to put the rollers. I'm going to go section by section, putting as many rollers as each section needs until I'm finished with my entire head. I'm going to be using these rods. They're the jumbo rods from Sally's. They're the biggest ones I saw there, and they're this blue turquoise color if you're looking for them. Take a smaller section of hair and spray it with some water, and then I'm going to spray it with my Lotta Body texturizing setting lotion. Although it is called a lotion, it does come in liquid form, so I've put it in my spray bottle, so that's what you see me spraying. I'll link the product down below so you know exactly what I'm using. Once you spray it and got it nice and wet, you start curling it down at the bottom. Make sure your ends are tightly wrapped around the rod. Then you roll it up and then snap it once you get to the very top. You're going to continue to do that section by section until you get to where I am now, the final piece, and you just do the same thing, spray, roll, snap at the top. I switched to using this brush instead of my comb once I got through a few pieces. Both work, but I felt like the brush got the ends a little bit smoother, which made it a lot easier to roll on the rod. So that's just a suggestion. Both ways work just fine. There we go. All of our rods are in. You want to make sure all of your hair gets dry before you take your rollers out. That's very important. You can sit under a dryer, or you can do like me and sleep in them overnight, and then when you wake them up, you can take them. It's the next day. I've slept in my rods, and unfortunately some of the pieces are still wet. So what I'm going to do, because you don't want to take them out while they're still wet, is that I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer attachment. This attachment was like $20. I got it from Sally's. What you do is you hook it up to your blow dryer, turn it on, and it's like having a hooded dryer on without having a super expensive hooded dryer like they have in the salon. I love this thing. I use it to deep condition or whenever I want to dry my hair. It works super duper quick. I'm going to put this on and sit under it for an hour, and then by then all of my hair should be dry. My hair is all dry and ready to be taken down. The face is beat as well. If you're wondering where I'm going, the answer is absolutely nowhere. It's a quarantine, so make sure you stay home. But before we take those curls down, make sure you put some sort of oil on your hand so that you don't get the curls frizzy taking them down. I'll be using almond oil. This my first time doing them. I was really nervous taking them down. I had no idea what to expect, but oh my gosh, look at this curl. I was so excited just from that one curl. Now that all of the rollers are out, what we're going to do is separate each curl. So what I do is I find a break that's already in the curl and I just start very carefully separating them. Once I've separated a piece, I wrap them in the direction of the curl around my finger, and I just kind of let them just fall where they would fall. Now that all of the curls are separated out, I'm just going to fluff them and play around with them a little bit and kind of put them where I want them, but I'm going to do this very carefully so that the curls don't get frizzy or that I don't mess up the pattern. Just play around with it however way you want to get the desired look that you want. But honestly, on its own, they already looked good and I'm super happy with the results. So that wraps up this tutorial, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and give this video a big thumbs up and comment and let me know what you think. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!